What's going on, guys? Marcel Benson, investor, entrepreneur. Look, we are back with another daily trade. Today, I made a whole $38. All right, guys, look, before we go any further, I just need you to do me one favor, all right? Just give me a quick subscription. Hit that subscribe button, right? Like it, comment, share. That's all I need, and we can continue to give you this game for free every day. All right, now back to it. I made $38 in the market, right? This is not a joke, okay? I made $38. I don't normally I'm posting 500 here, 1,000, whatever, right? Those are great numbers, but sometimes you're just gonna make $38, right? Even being an experienced trader, sometimes you're gonna make $38. Today was a very interesting day in the market. We had CPI data come out in the pre-market, made it really weird for the rest of the day. In the pre-market, it dropped the market, right? So I think Palantir was down like 2.5% in the pre-market. And then it shoots up to 4.5% or 4.2, I think is what it closed at, which is a huge difference from how it opened. Now, CPI data came in bad, so a lot of people were thinking that the market was going to be down the whole day. That was not the case. It was up and down, sideways for a little bit, up, down, and then back up. Right? It was a roller coaster ride, and I managed to squeeze $38 out of the deal. So I'm not sure, but look, it's some days that there's going to be, a lot of gains. There's some days where you may lose, and there's some days where you make $38, right? And I'm actually happy that I made 38, right? And 38 to some on your on the beginning of your journey is really good if that's what you were aiming for. But it was just one of those days. So when there's news like earnings or CPI or Fed speaking, you got to understand that sometimes it just better serves you to sit on the sideline, like really just wait for that opportunity to come. It may not be that day. Sometimes the best thing you can do as a trader is not to trade at all, right? Again, sometimes the best thing you can do as a trader is to not trade at all and just wait for the proper opportunity. When it's a weird day, you don't want to get mixed up because you can really get like chopped up and chewed up and spit the fuck out, okay? We don't want that. Now, I told you I made $38. Meta, I squeezed $38 out of the deal. I saw that it was, going up and down this 9 EMA. It was respecting the 9 EMA. And I was just like, okay, the next time it pulls back to the 9 EMA, I can at least trust that I could get in and, ride it up for a little bit. So I was able to catch it right here and caught a $38 play. Now, when you look at it in retrospect, the candle actually wound up being a lot bigger than, what it was when I was in the midst of trading it. But because I was so exhausted from the market, I was just like, look, I'll take anything I can get at this point. All right. So that's the daily trade. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Look, if you're looking for a community or a home to call yours, packed with traders and other like-minded individuals that are just on a mission to just improve their overall life, you may want to join the Prosperity Collective. The link is in the description. I love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.